Alright, so now that's installed, let's go for a first test drive, and I'm gonna let you know if I feel any difference at all in power, noise, sound, whatever. So let's go. Sounds about the same. I wasn't expecting anything else there anyway. Under load, I think you might maybe hear something. Now we're out on a main road here, so the next red light, I'm going to floor it, and then we can see if we notice any difference. So what an air filter is supposed to do, first of all, it looks a whole lot better. I do not like that black original box that was under there with the original filter. It looked horrible. This looks a whole lot better, and it's supposed to improve your fuel economy a little bit and give you a little more power, a couple of horses here and there maybe, but nothing substantial, and I'm not expecting that either. But it's supposed to make the cars sound a little better. I remember putting an open air filter on my Mini Cooper S, and that sounded fantastic when I put it on. It's gonna be interesting to see if we can notice any difference here in the sound of the V8 under throttle, if we can ever get a chance, because the traffic these days is just nuts. But let's hope for the best. At least we don't have any codes popping up that the airflow sensor or something like that is not reading correctly, so that's good. All right, here we go. I can push it a little bit now. Well, you can definitely definitely hear a difference. You hear a little bit of more of a sucking noise at the very high RPMs, and I think it sounds cool. It has a bit, I think it has a more throaty sound now, more of a deeper bass. It's a very subtle change, but I definitely notice a difference in the sound. And by the way, have a look at that beauty. Is that a 940 or it's a 740 turbo? Beautiful car. It brings me back to fun winter drives in Sweden, just cruising around and sliding around with Volvo 740s, rear wheel drive, the 240 as well. Fantastic cars. Yeah, I do feel, I don't feel a difference, but I can definitely hear a difference when you're stepping on it. It just gives it a more deeper voice, if you want to call it that. It's pretty cool. I'm happy with the result. So let's try and do it one more time now that that guy went out of the way. Oh yeah. Oof. It sounds great. Yes, it's definitely a difference. It's a lot deeper tone now, and I actually love it. It's interesting what just a little air filter can do. It does get up and go. I think the noise has a lot to do with that as well. The deeper rumble now that we have with the air intake. Yes. Let's do it one more time up here, just to hear. I wanna see if you can hear the kind of blowing noise that I'm hearing at the very high RPMs. Try and see if you can hear it next time. We're gonna push it up here after this Mercedes ugly sport SUV, coupe SUV. All right, so here we go. Let's see. Be quiet first of all. Great. I'm just waiting for the wheels now. I still have about 2 weeks, according to the company that I ordered from. 2 weeks, and they should at least be on their way. So subscribe if you want to check that out when they come. I can't wait for the 35 the 35s to come. It's gonna be super interesting to see how the track sits with the leveling kit and 35s on there. So subscribe for that, and then we have the rack coming as well. And then we have our Overland Ram Rebel. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.